How to find draft post on Facebook. I'm going to tell you how to find the draft post on Facebook. If you're in the middle of writing a post and leave the app or close the post window, Facebook may temporarily save the draft. To retrieve it, reopen what's on your mind. If the draft is still available, it will appear there. However, drafts for personal profiles are not saved long term and will disappear if you restart the app or refresh the page. For Facebook pages, drafts are easier to manage. Go to your page, navigate to Publishing Tools, and select Drafts to view or edit saved posts. If you're using Meta Business Suite, go to Post and Stories, then select Drafts from the left menu. Since personal drafts are unreliable, consider copying your text into a Notes app if you want to keep for later.